calm down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're traveling the globe with the LOL OMG Millennial Girls World Travel. I'm a fashion doll. We're gonna vacay with the City Babe. Shout out to my homegirl Carisha. We chilling with the City Babes, okay? So we got 15 surprises. It says Unboxed Fashions. The package becomes a living playset. Wow. So you can see the side of the packaging. Can you see the back of the box? I did get mine from Walmart.com. So you guys can see that. Now, let's get this babe out of her packaging. Now, I did pre-cut because I didn't want us to have to wait. And bam! Yes! Let's holler at our homegirl. As you can see, we have City Babe here. She's still in her packaging, but it looks like she comes with a suitcase of goodies, a comb, possibly a stand, an outfit change. Okay, enough suspense. Let's get her out of this packaging. So I'll be right back. Hey, we're back. Is it just me, or does it feel like forever since I've opened up a LOL OMG? Maybe it's just me. So I have City Babe out of her packaging. I have all her accessories. Now the interesting thing is she comes with a stand. It's a pink stand. And she comes with these 3 clips. I never really understood the 3 because 2 of them are like exactly the same size, which will be these 2. And then you have the larger one. So I don't know, but it comes with 3 clips if you need them. She also comes with her luggage roller. We're gonna move this over here so you can see. Cute design, and the handle is actually functional. Remember, keep in mind this is a $30 doll. So functional handle. And then when you open her up, there's a surprise inside. And I like how they actually gave detailing in the back, like it's really a suitcase. So that's that. And it's actually felt. Look, this is a neck cozy for the plane. This is so adorable. She also came with these 2 hair clips, which are so cute. And she also came with these earrings. Oh my god, and they're actually dangles. Wow, MGA has stepped up. Yes, I love that. So we also have her passport, which says travel checklist, when did my hair, city maps, fierce looks, fashion show ticks. So she's excited. She's flying out because she's been invited to be a part of a fashion show. Wow, have fun, girl. Here's her comb. And it's almost like a tannish brown type of color, which is really pretty. And then this is her first little clothing bag. Oh, so this is an accessory. They're headphones for the plane, and it says BBPM. Okay, and then it's just white and black. It's kind of basic, but it does match her outfit, which we're gonna get into. Look at that down there with those shoes. I'm getting a matchy. So that's pretty cool. And then this last bag is so cute. It has the big city lights, all the towers, different type of icons and imagery. So let's get this open. Oh my god, this is so cute. So it looks like she comes with a jacket. And this jacket is adorable. The black hanger, as you can see. But this jacket is fierce. So of course it's not real leather, but it's a nice thick quality. It has the chain on the side, LOL OMG tassels. The sleeves are supposed to be leather, and they actually feel it's a really good replica. She has the studs going across the top and across the sides. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And now we're gonna bring up City Babe. I'm just gonna put her on her stand. Now the City Babe comes in a really cute look. This is definitely a cute, fresh off the plane, heading to a fashion show type of look. So of course her hair is pink and black, as you can see. And then her makeup, we just need her to look forward. You can see she has the green eyes. She has white and pink eyeshadow. Her lips are actually outlined, so she has a pink lip, and then it's outlined with like a purple. And as we keep going down, we can see she is wearing a shirt that is pink and white, and it says OMG in the corner, and it does have the little choker effect to it. On the back of the shirt, you can see that it does Velcro, and it has more of that white detailing going around, which looks really, really good. And right here is her skirt. You can see it does have the zipper detailing as if she zipped it up and ran out the door. I love the patches on there as if this is like a worn type of skirt. And on the back, you can see that there is no Velcro. So this is a piece that you would just pull up and down. Hey babes, I had to come back to clear something. So you don't just pull her skirt up and down. It's actually a clip in the inside. So this is a real functioning zipper. I thought the zipper was just for show. So no, there's a clasp in front and then you unzip it. Wow, yeah, they did a lot of detail for you, babe. This is really cute. Have functional pockets in the front, and she also has functional pockets in the back. Her hair does go all the way to her boots, so if you love long hair, that's a plus. She is wearing her knee-high stockings that say extra like OMG, yes. And then she has on her boots, which are white and black, and then they have little buckle details on the side. I love them because it's a hefty boot, but it's not a chunky heel. The heel is actually thin, and on the bottom you can see she does have some treading. So very, very cute. The girl is giving. I'm not saying that she's not giving, okay? She's definitely giving. Now, if you're new to the world of OMG, I'm going to tell you about her articulation. So they do have the head articulation. They can tilt to the side just like that. They have shoulder articulation. Then they have the elbow. They have wrist. And they have hip articulation, so you can move at the hips. Now they do have detailing in the knee. The little trick to this is sometimes the plastic gets cold and travel. So if you actually rub your hands on their knees for a few seconds, get it nice and warm again, it'll actually bend a little bit easier, see, than it would if you may have tried it straight out of the packaging, because some people say their legs are broken, and it's not broken. The plastic is just cold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the original City Babe dressed up in her accessories, and we're coming right back. Alright, we are back, and we have City Babe in her secondary look. So I'm just going to lift her up so you guys can see. So the only real difference is the jacket is on, and I tied it up a little bit. She does have her earrings and her hair clips in. And I kind of like her meats look a little bit better. Let's see how this is gonna look like once we actually open this back up. Okay, what do you guys think about this? Yeah, that gives it a little bit more, yeah. But I just wanted to see how it will look open or closed. But overall, I do think she's a very beautiful doll. I'm so happy that I'm able to add her to my collection. And do I think she is worth the $30 price point? I think if you're willing to hold out, I will maybe hold out for $22 or something like that, because we all know they do eventually go through discounts. But for the $30 straight out to get her new, it's not bad. You're getting a doll, you're getting some cute accessories, a cute background if you would like. And as far as her background goes, here's a look at it for anyone who wanted to see what it was giving. It's basically giving a cityscape illusion. So yeah, the doll could have easily been a little bit cheaper, but overall I do think she's cute. She's my cute girl in the city. So I have a goal over here on my channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 5K. So if you could like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, I would deeply appreciate it. Let me know what you think about the new World Travel line presented by MGA. Are you interested in any of the girls or no? I do think I want to get all three. I really don't have a favorite. I think I want all of them. I think all of them are kind of like iconic in their own little way. So first up, we have City Babe. Let me know your thoughts on her and this new brand by MGA. Well, this new side brand of World Travel by MGA. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Sometime in the the easiest thing is just to say, stay away. Stay away from me. Stay away. Stay away, away, away. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away, away, away. Sometimes that's easier to say, just stay here with me, be here with me, vibe with me, stay with me and you'll see. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away. Stay away from me instead of be with me. Vibe with me, embrace me, and someday you shall see that the one you thought was cold is warm as a blanket, snuggled up at night with me, wrapped up tight with me. Who, yes, it's who. Stay away. Who. Sometimes stay away. It's the easiest thing to say, and say, stay here with me, be here with me. Baby, I miss you, come back home. Sometimes that's harder than say, stay away, away, away. Sometimes it's easier to say, stay away, away, away. Sometimes that's the easiest thing to say, instead of stay with me, vibe with me, be with me, and someday you will see that person you were told is so icy cold is the warmest person in the world to be around. Stay with me, it's hard to say, sometimes the easiest thing to say, stay away, away, away.